Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the two 3mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the card reader board to the top cover. Lift the card reader board off of the alignment pins, slide it out from under the retention tab, and remove. Replacement. Tow the card reader board under the retention tab and lower it onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 3mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the card reader board to the top cover. Insert the card reader board ribbon cable into the card reader board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.